वो एक पौधा प्रदान करके पहले मैडम का वेलकम करें। All right, thank you. So we will now proceed with our awards. The next is two achievers from ECL. पहले बुलाएंगे मिस स्वाति कुमारी, Assistant Manager Mining. She has worked as a ventilation officer at Narsamunda Colliery, enhancing ventilation for a phase circuit of 3.8 km by effectively managing air courses. She's conducted inspection of isolation and sectionalization stopping, performed air quality measurement and developed SOPs for various tasks. Earlier, she also worked as a management trainee mining for ECL CIL production. Congratulations. The next one from the same group, we have Miss Vishaka Raut, Assistant Manager Mining, ECL. A mining engineer with 2.5 years of experience in the mining industry. She has hands-on experience in both underground and open pit mining operation. In her current role, she is looking after the ongoing first mile connectivity project, which are railway siding and coal handling plant, and is also in charge of maintaining day-to-day and month-wise production data, monitoring underground activities of mining machine and equipment, among other roles and responsibilities. The next one would be from Hindalco, and then after that from Lloyd Infinite, so I request them to be ready. Yes, so moving on, please invite on stage Ms. Vaishali Praveen Suraval, Chief Sustainability Officer, Joint President Hindalco. We also heard her experience. She is in fact the Chief Sustainability Officer for Hindalco Industry Limited for all 18 factories and 23 mines since past 4 years. Has worked in metal and mining throughout her career, especially in steel, aluminium and copper for past 32 years in various roles and responsibility. Has many firsts to her credit. Also the first woman to be the unit head of the Hindalco Taloja factory in the entire Aditya Birla group. Congratulations. Well, we have the next one, Ms. Kopal Agarwal, Chief Procurement Officer, but she's not here with us. So I'll request Ms. Sumita Singh, General Manager Corporate Affairs, Aditya Birla, to collect the award on her behalf. Ms. Kopal Agarwal, Chief Procurement Officer, Hindalco. The next one, it's from Lloyd Infinite Foundation, Mrs. Kirti Reddy, the Director of Lloyd's Infinite Foundation. A big round of applause. Has been instrumental in translating the Managing Director's vision into impactful programs that have significantly empowered women in and around the company's mining operation. Her leadership and dedication have driven remarkable progress in gender inclusion and sustainable development. Some of the key initiatives include pioneering women in core mining operation, having trained over 250 women in core mining roles. A big round of applause. We'll request Tata Steel to be ready, and after that we have GSI. So we'll request them to be ready, please. Thank you. Congratulations. Now for Tata Steel Mining, we have 5 achievers. Begin with Ms. Disha Ramesh Khare, Manager Mining. A big round of applause. A mining engineer with over 3.5 years of robust experience in highly mechanized iron ore mining operation. Her expertise encompasses a solid foundation in mining software as well. Currently leading the all-women shift as shift in charge at Normandy Iron Ore Mines. I request, in fact, awardees, if you can please come close to the stage. सबको मैं request करूँगी, दुर्गा, महिमा जी, रेवती जी, तनेश्वरी, please आप लोग मंच के पास आ जाएं. All right. The next one would be Ms. Durga Machi, Operation Assistant 1 from Normandy again, was selected in Tata Steel's Tejaswini 2.1 recruitment drive for the female HEMM operators and joined the company in 2022. She is also proud to be a part of the all-women shift that commenced recently. मैं टाटा के सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी आप मंच के पास आ जाए. उसके बाद लिन्नी जी और पीठा जी from GSI आप भी आ जाएं please. Okay, moving on, Ms. Mahima Tripathi, Manager Mining, again from Tata Steel, Normandy Iron Mine. Joined Tata Steel in 2021 as management trainee. and was posted as manager mining in Oman in 2022, where she worked in shift and learned about excavation and production, looked after drilling and blasting operation and catered to the mine development activities. As a mining engineer, she has driven various projects from pit opening to haul road design, slope stability and digital initiatives. Next one would be Miss Revati Purti. Operation Assistant 1. Revati Purti, posted as Operation Assistant 1, shovel at Normandy, was also successfully selected in the Tejaswini 2.0 recruitment drive. Today she proudly operates shovel in all the 3 shifts very confidently and is part of the all-women shift. Posted as recruitment drive, joined CSI, Miss Ari Bukarasi, Junior. She joined in August 20th during CA, responsible for contributor to Lasava, beneficiated products, has played a key role, also played a major. The next one, Srimati in mineral benefits product by from Vedanta to the entire ban on mining in Goa. She voluntarily came to XZL and wanted to continue. Ban on mining in Goa. She voluntarily came to XZL and wanted to continue in her domain, that is mining. Ample opportunities to work in multiple departments of mining. Congratulations. Ms. Sandhya Rashakatla, first class mine manager, working as assurance manager at Zawar Mines. She's from Warangal in Telangana. Joined the group in 2018 as GT, and in 2021, after clearing the first class manager competency exam, she was certified as mines manager of Zawar Mines.